कहाँ पे कहाँ पे वे टोला निया तेरो रे विना ते ते लो डाली ने टा वे टाया दिन ते दे रान ते तारे लई
A cluster of 384 islands in the Bay of Bengal comprise the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Only 26 of the islands are inhabited. The original inhabitants, culturally hunters and gatherers, are 6 of the most unique tribes. Jarawas live on the west coast of Middle and South Andamans. The Great Andamanese tribe was resettled on Strait Island. The Sentinelese, an isolated tribe, live on Sentinel Island. The Ongi inhabit the Little Andaman Island. The Nicobaris, an educated people, inhabit 12 islands. The Champanes, a shy and gentle people, live in the interior forests of the Great Nicobar Island. In 1858, Frederick Moore, after his first visit to these islands, said,
"The inhabitants of the Andamans have always been considered one of the most savage races on the face of the earth, whom civilization has yet found it impossible to tame, or even almost to approach."
Yes, there are. We could see them.
Yeah.
We could see those they are walking along the sea beach.
The Sentinelese were first contacted by the government in 1991. The contact party under the administration is always accompanied by security. The arrow-shooting Sentinelese are a constant fear.
They used to have, it is a trophy, taken as a trophy.
And if they suddenly come here, what, they will be angry to see us here?
It's, I cannot make comments on this. They may not approve of our entering into the huts. They may not approve of our entering into the land. I believe so.
They don't like it?
Yes.
That means the first time we've come so far in.
We are intruding.
The first time we come into the Sentinelese hut.
The skull of wild boar it is, which they roast on fire and they release it very much. Please don't remove anything from here. This is the darbo, and they remove the mollusk. They had removed the mollusk and roasted. You see? Is that right? Just sleep on this. This is where they keep on. You see, the Sentinelese. You see, this is where they sleep. This is used as below. A fire is placed here. and then they roast the meat here. But there were two families here, more than two families. You could see one family were here. There are two fires, one and the other. Two fireplaces, and the other family was here. In fact, the slitted parts of the outrigger, old outrigger, they sleep on those.
The sentinel.
Yes, sentinels.
What is this?
This must be fishing net. This is the bows and arrow. Look. You could see those sketches, different sketches which they made. And the string is fixed from this end to this end. These are small bandanas.
Bandanas is the typical recovery fruit, is that it?
Yes.
They boil it and take it.
Please let's go now.
Why?
Because they may not approve of our coming into their hut. So let us go now, please.
It is yet to be discovered what the residents of North Sentinel Island call themselves. They have been indexed as contacted sentinelese. Gifts of coconuts are means to overcome limited communication and uncertain vocabulary. Coconuts do not grow on these islands, but they are valued by the sentinelese.
They're showing the genital.
That is always there.
That is what? That is angry or?
No, they are not angry.
Laha. Ah, they're dancing.
That is one of the
Laha. 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 Dag. Dag. फेंक दिया Dag.
Please try to protect your camera. Any moment they can come.
Dag. Laha. Laha. Dag. Dag. Laha. Dag.
Daga means coconut. Laha means come here. These words are familiar to the Jarawa tribe. We do not know if the sentinelese understand it.
Leha. Daga. Leha. Leha. Daga.
Why you are moving up? कोई घुमाना नहीं है घुमाइए मत इसको पीछे ले जाते खड़ा रहने दो इसको
Leha.
The estimated 90 Sentinelese continue to live as hunters and gatherers, solely dependent on food provided by nature.
The Sentinelese had a very mixed reaction towards us. In the first place, they cheerily waited us on the shore and they indicated their presence by walking down towards the beaches and then disappear. They are a very lively people who prefer to live in isolation away from the mainstream of life, unless we behave as one of them and we can bridge the gap of the unfriendly relationship. But we must build our present rapport with the Sentinelese. We must not repeat history itself. We must not provoke them again to retain their unfriendly attitude. To my mind, they are not hostile. They have reason to defend their territory and they have reason not to be friendly with us.
You come from Car Nicobar.
Yes, that is right. But recently, I'm from different racial stock altogether. Physically, I'm from the Mongoloid and they are the Negrito population. So, by the very physics, they could guess who am I, but they treat me more as an outsider.
I do believe in reincarnation, and if I were to be born again, I would like to be one of the Sentinelese and live under the shadow of ignorance.
As of now, I am functioning as the head of Anthropological Survey of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Regional Center here in Port Blair. And states Justin, but I have a native name. It is Asaying Town. It is a name of a tree which was introduced by outsiders. I'm the first anthropologist from the island, and the first anthropologist of course from the community itself. I had my initial training in cultural anthropology, and in many a way it has helped me to study my own people, and also I would like to write books for my own people so that they can see themselves on the mirrors of time. I have been with the contact team of Andaman and Nicobar administration, and to my mind, the Jarawa indeed would identify me with the word Ichatawaha, the very word with this Jarawa I used to make fun of
either they are making fun of me, or it could be a mockery kind of thing, you know, when they are teasing me. So this very word is a recognition of mine, which perhaps has been given to me by the Jarawa themselves, and I understand they love me.
Amongst our peace offerings for the Jarawa tribe, red scarves were included. The Jarawas loved the color red. The population of the Jarawas is estimated to be 200. The administration has been in contact with the Jarawas from the year 1974. Yet, we know very little of their world.
थोड़ा आगे जाके बंद
The Jarawas are curious about my gender. Having touched me, she confirmed I was a woman.
Tandy, oi Tandy.
Ola 80.
Eh,
Eh.
Konya, le.
Video kita tu upah.
Eh, tu. Sama me.
Sama me.
Eh, sama me.
Sama me.
Eh, sama me. Tulip.
Tulip.
Eh, tulip.
Tulip.
Ya, balik. Mikir dah.
Tulip. Tulip.
Eh, tulip.
Tulip.
Tuh. What's up?
Tulip.
Eh, orang kita dah tahu, dah tahu, bang.
Tulip. Tulip.
Esse botele, mano.
Hey, my, you are almost going to. I'm able to do it. You got my
The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are administered by the Lieutenant Governor from his headquarters in Port Blair. Representing these islands in the Lok Sabha is one member of Parliament. I've seen a Jarawa Reserve Forest with the settlers next door to it. Now, I don't understand how the Jarawas feel that this is the reserve forest for them. How do they know the demarcation?
Yes, there is a bit difficulty in this because when the settlers were brought and settled on these islands, especially middle and the south and the north, the trunk road which runs from north to south, when that was reconstructed, it was then thought that probably the road will make a dividing line between the Java's area and that of the settlers. But that, as naturally it would come up later, it had turned out to be a little different.
The bush police posts were set up along the periphery of the Jarawa Reserve Forest to protect the settlers from the Jarawa raids. Today, the bush police play a double role. They protect the settlers from the Jarawas and the Jarawas from the settlers.
This demarcation is not understood by the Javas because at one time the whole land was theirs. So to that extent I think we have ingressed into their area which they do not like. We have had some incidents where they have even attacked these settlers. And this is what my problem today is, to see that this doesn't leave permanent scars on the administration and it doesn't increase the friction between the settlers and the Jarawas.
The monthly fair held at the border of the Jarawa Reserve Forest attracts settlers and their families from surrounding areas.
Wango, Thailand, Talevali, Pallavali ki nalledungo.
गिदड़ बोलता सियाल बोलता
और कहाँ मिलता है?
ये जंगल हम मद्रास कृष्णापल्ली
यहाँ नहीं मिलता है?
इधर नहीं कृष्णापल्ली से लाता 1500 किलोमीटर से उधर से लाता उसका सिंगड़ा राखता अच्छा नजर गुजर का अच्छा बच्चा लोग डालता अच्छा ताइतुन डाल को देंगे.
The Andaman Indians are descendants of convicts who were brought to Port Blair by the British since 1858. Today their numbers have increased with migrations from the Indian mainland.
All of us, I think, are destroying environment. It is not the settlers. That will be a rather wrong statement to make. As you know, these islands, we are supposed to have 86% of total land mass under forest. And we are maintaining that. So to that extent, I will not say that we are really destroying the environments. But certain other things are being destroyed, like marine life. We are trying to check that also.
In 1901, the census recorded 468 Jarawas. In 1992, approximately 200 survived. In 76 skirmishes recorded between the Jarawas and the settlers, only 15 settlers lost their lives. The Jarawa casualties remain unrecorded. Each family maintains its distinctly demarcated sleeping areas. However, childcare unifies all families into a whole community. Recognizing the imitation of a wild boar digging for roots in the forest, they led me home and with pride showed me their trophies.
Machi.
Machi,
Seasonal changes and availability of resources dictate the location of temporary shelters for the semi-nomadic Jarawas. During the monsoons, families come together to live in large and permanent community shelters that can accommodate more than 30 members. To the Indian, the Andaman Islands are known as Kalapani, or the Black Waters. In Sanskrit, Kalapani means waters of death, from where only the luckiest return. It was after the mutiny of 1857 that the British deported political prisoners all over India to serve life sentences in the Andamans. The cellular jail, with 698 cells, was built for solitary confinement. Today, many Indians come here to pay homage to those who sacrificed their lives for the independence of India.
There were no settlement on these islands till 19th century almost. It is the British came and they opened some settlements, which were known as penal settlements. And then it was followed by our great mutiny of 1857, when political prisoners were brought here and they were settled. It was only after independence that the government of India thought of settling more people here, since we had these beautiful islands and there was land available. So after the partitions, some refugees from East Bengal, they were brought here. Similarly, refugees also came from Sri Lanka.
The Andaman Indians, with diverse religions representing various ethnic groups speaking different languages, have become an integrated homogeneous community with Hindi as their linked language. Here in Port Blair, Justin lives in government accommodation with his family.
I'm very much a full-fledged family man. I have a wife, she is a Nicobarese. I have 2 children, a son and a daughter. They are studying in Central School. We have undergone a tremendous change, but we are very selective in absorbing the values of modern life. It's not that we have transformed ourselves greatly. We are appreciating the qualities of education. We are appreciating the other basic amenities of life, and our material culture has changed tremendously. There has no constructional change in the, say, social organization of the people. So some Nicobaris have started to marry an outsiders.
The bunkers that overlook the natural harbor of Port Blair were built by the Japanese during their occupation of these islands between 1942 and 1945. The tribals of these islands have not forgotten the atrocities committed by the Japanese. Ironically, these abandoned bunkers became the last refuge of the dwindling Great Andamanese tribe. Various attempts were made to rehabilitate them. Finally, in 1969, the government of India successfully resettled them on Strait Island. The occupation of the Andamans resulted in pitched encounters between the colonizers with guns and the Great Andamanese tribes armed with bows and arrows. Their population declined rapidly. Contact with the outsiders brought diseases and the fatal addiction to opium. Raja, the title bestowed by the administration, is the spokesman for the Great Andamanese.
माँ, ये जो आप सामान रखे हैं, जब भी आदमी मर जाते हैं आपके यहाँ, आप उसको उनके साथ क्यों दफनाते हैं?
उनका सामान को इसलिए दफनाता है, जो उनका जो भी सामान है उनका, तो उसको हम लोग नहीं रखता। उसका सामान जो रखने से हम लोग उनका याद आ जाता है।
आप हमें ये बता दीजिए कि जब आपको यहाँ बसाया गया, उस वक्त ग्रेट अंडमानीज की जनसंख्या क्या थी?
उस वक्त 40 था।
40 था, और अभी बहुत कम कैसा घट गया है?
अभी ऐसे बहुत कम हो गया था। ये आपका बाहर का आदमी था जो बर्मा का रहने वाला, उसमें कुछ गलती चीज खिला दिया।
क्या
तो उसमें
गलती चीज खिलाया?
ये
कैसा?
कुछ लोग का साथ घूमते घूमते खा लिया था, ये फीम और गंजा उंजा। उसमें लेडीज लोग भी खाते थे, तो उसमें बच्चा का कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया।
अच्छा, और ये जो पॉपुलेशन आपकी जो जनसंख्या घट रही है, और आप यहाँ के माँ है, यहाँ के राजा है, यहाँ के चीफ है, तो ग्रेट अंडमानीज की पॉपुलेशन को बढ़ाने के लिए आप अपनी तरफ से क्या कर रहे हैं?
अपनी तरफ से हम अभी बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं। डॉक्टर लोग से भी इलाज करवाता उनको, तो इतना इलाज का बाद में अभी थोड़ा हमारा पॉपुलेशन थोड़ा आगे बढ़ता है।
अच्छा, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है। अब अभी कितना है?
अभी हमारा 31 तक आ गया।
Raja is the proud father of twins. For each child, the administration awards a monthly stipend of 500 rupees. माए आपके कितने बच्चे हैं?
हमारा 10 है। हम पॉपुलेशन बढ़ाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
बालू नाचने लगा।
Elementary Hindi is the language that bridges various tribes who speak different dialects. The administration provides free education plus a stipend for every child who goes to school. The eldest Andamanese couple are proud of their own hunting traditions.
ये जंगल का धागा है बनाया देख।
और वो
ये धागा नहीं है।
धनुष
अभी उसका बेल काट के लाया ये धनुष का वास्ते, कराशी बनाने का वास्ते ये।
किसी ने बनवा दिए थे कि कौन बनाया है?
जाम बनाया। इसको काट के इसका रेती से इसका नक बनाया।
कितने प्रकार के धनुष बनाते हैं? जैसा कि मछली को मारने के लिए, हिरन को मारने के लिए, सुअर को मारने के लिए।
इससे मासी मारता।
अच्छा, इससे
वो दूसरा वाला इससे सुअर मारता। इसका अभी तो सुखाता है ना आगे में। इसमें सका तो जाएगा।
अच्छा, सका तो
इसमें सका तो जाने से इसको राशि डालेगा, इससे पलटी कर देगा, इसी ढोर ये राशि यही जगह आएगा, बस वक्त चलाएगा। एकदम ताकत मांगता पूरा, एकदम बहुत दूर जाएगा। इसलिए सुअर मारने से एकदम पार हो जाता।
When the hunt failed, Raja queued for free rations at the government shop.
दादी चलो। क्या दे दो? एक दूध पैकेट, दूध पीना भी दे दो। उनका दूध नहीं दिया ना अभी? हाँ, चलिए मैडम, आप चलिए, आप अपना लीजिए चाय।
बलवीर सिंह जी, ये जो राशन आप देते हैं अंडमानीज को, क्या हर रोज देना पड़ता है?
नहीं, ऐसा है कि जो मंथली फ्री राशन जो है महीने में, वो एक बार दे देते हैं, लेकिन और जनरल रिक्वायरमेंट जो है उनकी, वो रोज में कई बार हमको सोसाइटी खोलनी पड़ती है।
इसको क्या वजह है?
वजह यह है कि इनको स्टोरेज करने की आदत नहीं है। तो जैसे कि मतलब ऐसा है कि ये लोग क्या करेंगे, दाल के लिए पानी चढ़ा दिए चूल्हे में, इसके बाद एक आदमी आएगा उसी फैमिली से और वो कहेगा कि मुझे दाल चाहिए, तो मैंने एक पैकेट उनको दाल उठा के दे दी। फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद में जब मसाला डालने का टाइम आएगा तो आएगा कि हल्दी पाउडर नहीं है घर में, तो फिर उस वक्त मैं हल्दी पाउडर दे देता हूँ। फिर थोड़ी देर बाद में उसी फैमिली का एक आदमी आएगा कि नमक नहीं है, क्योंकि नमक डालने के टाइम पे आएगा नमक नहीं है, तो फिर नमक उठा के दे देता हूँ। तो इसमें हमें बहुत पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है।
क्या आपको लगता है कि इस तरह से अगर खाना बदोश ट्राइबल्स को सेटलमेंट में रखी जाए, इससे उनके वंश या उनके संप्रदाय जो है वो बच पाएगी?
जी हाँ, इसका ऐसा है कि जब ये खाना बदोश थे, इसके बाद जैसे ही हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं तो इनको तमाम डिजीज लग गई, क्योंकि इनके बॉडी में इस टाइप के रेजिस्टेंस पावर नहीं थी। दूसरी बात ये हुई कि इनके पास जो आयुर्वेदिक दवाइयाँ थी, वो जब नई नई बीमारियाँ आई तो वो उनके पास दवाइयाँ नहीं थी। पहले जैसे मामूली इनके सर में दर्द हुआ, पेट में दर्द हुआ, तो इनके पास जंगल की जड़ी बूटियों से दवाई इलाज कर लेते थे। अभी जैसे टीबी इनको हो गई तो उसका इलाज नहीं है। तो यदि इनका सेटलमेंट नहीं बनाया जाता, ये नहीं किया जाता, तो टीबी जैसा एक ऐसी डिजीज है कि तो बराबर फैलती चली जाएगी। तो उस हिसाब से फिर हम लोग इनका ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर पाते और एक दिन ऐसा आता कि ये टोटली खत्म हो जाते।
डोंगी भी बनाता है, सब कुछ बनाएगा।
और छोटे बच्चे,
छोटा बच्चा लोग
आजकल का लड़का नहीं बनाते, उसको सिखा, वो सीखना नहीं चाहते।
तो बोलने से भी नहीं जाता, नहीं करता। ये देखो 3-4 बड़ा लड़का लोग है, कितना बोलता है लोग को, हम सीखो रहे तुम लोग क्या, खाली गाड़ी गाड़ी चलता, उधर चलता। थोड़ा निश्चित रखने को क्या है,
चीफ का बात नहीं सुनते।
हम लोग तो ऐसा आगे तरफ नहीं देखेगा, सुबह गई हम लोग नीचे में देखते क्या क्या करे, खाली नीचे देखते सामान। ऐसा काम है हम लोग का, बड़ा बड़ा आदमी लोग बहुत बोला है, इसी तरफ देखो क्या करता है, ऐसा देखने से कोई काम का आदमी नहीं है।
The domestication of animals is alien to the tribals. The dog was brought to the Andamans in 1858 by the British. Gradually, the dog became an integral part of the hunt. All dogs are named Billy, a legacy the British left behind.
आपको मालूम है कि ग्रेट अंडमानीज का नंबर कटते जा रहे हैं, कम होते जा रहे हैं,
इसलिए हम लोग अब ये कटते हैं, इसलिए अब आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं। हमारी आशा है कि हम लोग अब कुछ मिलजुल कर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। हमारा अभी पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम पड़ गई है, पहले जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा थे, अब तो बहुत कम पड़ गई। पहले 5,000 से अधिक लोग थे।
अच्छा, 5,000 से अधिक थे। अच्छा, आपके तरह, आपकी उम्र की तरह कितने और ग्रेट अंडमानीज हैं जो बच्चे पैदा कर सकते हैं?
यहाँ तो 3 लेडीज हैं।
3 ही हैं?
जी।
आप और?
हम हैं, मेरा बड़ा दीदी है, एक लीचू है।
Lichu, one of the 30 great Andamanese, has adapted to the city life of Port Blair. She speaks Hindi fluently and has forgotten her own language. When her marriage failed, she left her husband and children on Strait Island. She now lives with her lover, whom she plans to marry.
लीचू, आप स्ट्रेट आइलैंड में क्यों नहीं रहते?
हम लोग जब भी जाते ना, वो मेरा हरकत दूसरा हो जाता, मन नहीं लगता रहने को, कुछ ना कुछ करना ही पड़ता है। या तो एक दिन रहेगा, दूसरा दिन भाग जाएगा। नहीं है, कब्रिस्तान में नहाना का कवर में जाके बैठ के रोते हैं।
आप अपने ट्राइब के बारे में कभी सोचते हो?
सोचते हैं बहुत कुछ, ताकि आगे बढ़े, एक दूसरे का बुराई ना करे, सब सोचते हैं, लेकिन उनको तो कैसा समझाएगा हम खुद समझ नहीं पाते। यहाँ आते समझाओ तो उल्टा काम करते।
फिर आपका हस्बैंड आपको जाने देंगे?
आज तक तो तलाक सिस्टम स्टेट में निकला नहीं, आज से नहीं 150 साल पहले से होते सर।
अंडमानीज में कोई तलाक सिस्टम नहीं है?
नहीं, तलाक देने को हमको कुछ नहीं है, हमारा आने वाले बच्चों को तकलीफ नहीं। मान लो हमारा जैसा उनका हस्बैंड इस तरह होगा, वो लड़की कहाँ जाएगी जब तक आदमी साइन नहीं करेगा, तलाक पेपर में होएगा नहीं।
There are 30 surviving Great Andamanese. Only 29 live on Strait Island. Lichu was absent.